What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name's Greg. This is just a really quick video going over the retroactive referral code. Guys, this is easily my favorite thing that Uber has ever offered to drivers, because the referral code alone was pretty cool. Basically, you can refer friends, they can give X amount of rides in their first month, and they get a bonus for completing those rides. It's a good incentive to get people on the road, or it's kind of like Uber's cost per acquisition, right? So companies are willing to pay X amount of money to get a new user to their database. It depends what they're willing to pay. Most companies aren't willing to pay as much as Uber is willing to pay to get a driver on the road, because the way that we make money for Uber is we can make them a lot of money, especially if you really add up over the years how much you've paid out to them, you know, for the 25% or more that they take from everything we make. So they're willing to pay out a pretty high number to get people to sign up. And that's what this referral code program is. Now, the great thing about the referral program is that they have a retroactive code. What that means is when you signed up, if you just signed up from an ad on the internet, or obviously everybody knows what it is, and you're like, you know what, I'm going to check this out, you won't get any kind of bonus you can hit. And these bonuses come from friends, because word of mouth advertising is generally the most powerful form of advertisement. So this retroactive code is absolutely sick, because if you signed up for Uber and you did a ton of rides in your first month, you can use our code and get a huge bonus. Now, these bonuses, it depends on your market, but it's up to $1,000. So what I'm telling you about this retroactive referral code, guys, and this is why I love this, is if you didn't sign up, use our code right now, link in the description, and you could literally get that money, that bonus that you signed up for. It could be in your account in minutes. I know a lot of you guys could use that money, especially now more than ever. Rent, car payments, freaking groceries are like insanely crucial right now. There are so many reasons that any of us could use a few $100s, let alone $1,000. So if you haven't checked this out, guys, this is why I'm imploring this so much and so heavy, is because I know it will help you guys the same way it's helped so many of our drivers here at the Rideshare Hub that have signed up using our code. It's just money in your account. It is literally that simple. It takes less than 2 minutes. It's about 8 steps total. Very quick, right from your Uber app. So I don't want to blab on about this too long, but if you don't know how to do it, here's the instructions right now so you can for sure check it out and make some money. Awesome. So 1, open the Uber app. Next, click your photo or the 3 lines at the top corner. Click earnings. Click help or question mark. Click account and payment. Then referrals. And this step is really important. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. And then click send a message. And for the invite code, use G4QA5UE. Friend's name, yours truly, Gregory Wave. GREGORYWAVE, like wave. The phone number is 815-847-0184. And the email is gregwave@yahoo.com. And for the details, you can just say something like, my good friend Gregory referred me to drive for Uber.